Today on your new old truck, we're going to be taking a look at the cab and the doors. Now here on the firewall, you can see that it is in really nice shape. Nothing weird has been done to it, no extra holes or dents or anything like that. If you come around this way right here, you'll be able to see that the cab cowl right here is in excellent shape. There's no rust or anything down here. You'll notice that the area that bolts onto the front fender is in excellent shape. A lot of times when there's accidents, they won't take the time to fix these, but this is in excellent shape, so you can see that it's never had any problems. You can see on the door right here that it's just nice and straight. It's never had any problems in the past. The rocker panel doesn't have any rust. The inside of the rocker panel doesn't have any rust. Our cab corners and our corners on our doors. Now, a lot of times if you open up the door, you'll see bubble and rust right here, but there isn't any on the front or the back. You can take a look at the rocker panel right here. And this is to be expected with a vehicle that only has 43,000 miles on it. But you don't always get this lucky. You can also see the cab corner is in excellent shape. There's never been any damage or accidents to it. We keep coming around the cab. We can see that this is nice and perfectly straight, so they've never had any loads in the back that have hit anything. The top of the cab is in excellent shape, so they've never put any lumber or ladders in there and beat that up. This side of the cab corner is also in excellent shape. No rust in the rocker in the bottom. On the door, we've got the same thing. No rust in the bottom, no rust in the bottom, no rust in the bottom. Another thing you want to take a look at is how amazingly straight this door is. We haven't done anything to this but sand down the original paint, so I made sure that I got all of the potential dirt or grease off. Technically speaking, I could have done a 400 grit sand on this and shot the paint on top, but I went to the extra step to go ahead and take off a layer of paint so that we didn't have any problems. Next, what I'll be doing is doing a light block sand on this. If it has any dings or anything, we'll be taking care of that. And I'll be showing you the rest of your sheet metal in the next couple of days, so stay tuned.